All right, first shirt of the night. Good old Georgia Bulldogs. It's gonna be a late night rinse out session. Hey, it was a late night top tank session, so it only fits.
This is the one that we use the sodium alginate on. So we'll see how that affected the shirt. That was our first time using that.
Yeah, we're not too sure how it came out. It might be great, it might be horrible. We have no idea.
We might need to do this again.
Yeah. We have no idea. Looks like it's holding color a little better though.
We actually had to switch reds halfway through because the first one was so clogged up.
That's right.
This is actually two different color reds.
What reds were those?
Scarlet. And I think it was one scarlet and I want to say scarlet and fire red.
It definitely looks cool. So let's see what we got. Wow. Okay, that's not too shabby. Hold it on up. Cross it. Yeah. You went to like Chandler, didn't I? That looks really cool. Look at that. Georgia Bulldogs, folks. Bulldog Spiral. Yeah, that came out pretty good. Cool.
Not exactly how I wanted.
But close enough.
Yeah.
And here's the final result. Check that out, man. That came out pretty good. This is our Georgia Bulldogs one. We also used the sodium alginate in the dyes, seeing what that would do. We were worried about this one. We didn't think it was gonna be any good, but it actually came out pretty good. Yeah. Alrighty, tell us what you think. Let us know in the comments below. Alrighty, folks, y'all have a wonderful day.